Hello guys, welcome to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making hot chocolate, perfect to keep you warm this holiday season. For this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. You need 4 cups of milk, whipped cream, and the chocolate tablet. First, you're going to warm up the milk. Once the milk is warm, add in the chocolate. You're going to whisk until it dissolves completely. Now that it's dissolved, let it boil, then turn the heat off. Let it sit for about 15 minutes because it will be very hot. Next, add in the whipped cream. You can grate a bit of chocolate and sprinkle it on top. I hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Happy holidays!